In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Cloudways. If you've just bought a new domain and want to connect it to your Cloudways application, it's important to understand one key thing from the beginning. Cloudways is not a domain registrar, so the connection does not happen automatically inside the platform. Instead, you need to point your domain's DNS records to your Cloudways server and then map that domain inside Cloudways so the application knows which web address to respond to. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the Applications section. From there, select the specific application you want to connect to your custom domain. On the Access Details page, you'll see your server's public IP address. Copy that IP because this is the destination your domain will need to point to. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to the company where you purchased your domain, such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Cloudflare. Go to the DNS settings or domain management area for that domain. In this section, remove any old A records or parked domain settings that could interfere with the connection. Then create a new A record. Set the host to the root domain symbol. Use your copied Cloudways public IP as the value, and leave the TTL on automatic or set it to 1 hour. After that, add one more record, this time a CNAME. Set the host to www and point it to your root domain. This makes sure both versions of the address, with and without you, direct visitors to the same site. Once the DNS records are in place, go back to Cloudways. In the Application Management menu, open Domain Management, click Add Domain, enter your root domain, and save the change. After the domain appears in the list, open the options beside it and choose Make Primary, then confirm it. This tells Cloudways that this is the main domain your application should use. After that, move to the SSL certificate section. Enter your email address and the domain you just mapped, then click Install Certificate. This activates a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate, which secures your site with HTTPS. That step is essential for both trust and security, especially if your site collects customer information or handles logins. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Make sure your domain is listed correctly in Cloudways, confirm the SSL certificate shows as active, and double check that your DNS records are pointing to the correct public IP. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if the site does not update immediately, give it a little while and test again.